Hi, CJ Delvecchio with Warren Real Estate. Today I'm inside my listing at 12 Woodlane Road in Brooktondale. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch, and it comes with a double lot. So it has beautiful views. I'm inside, just outside the sliding door to the deck. And as always, I'm here to show you a little bit of the inside and the outside in this house. And of course, if you'd like your own tour, be happy to get you in. You just have to give me a call. So as I said, I'm just inside the dining area. You can see that it has a galley kitchen here and open to the living room. And beautiful, beautiful yard and views. Let's actually step outside and take a little look here. It has actually this wraparound deck which goes to either side of the yard. This is the double lot area over here, which is a big side yard, or you could possibly build a little cottage or another house. This is located in the town of Caroline, so just outside of Brooktondale. The birds have been chirping all morning. It's just a beautiful, beautiful setting. Neighborhood cul-de-sac, as I said. Some mature trees, this white pine, couple of white pines. Lot goes pretty much down there to where you see it's mowed, maybe a little bit beyond there. And as I said, galley kitchen, 3 beds, 1 bath. It has a full basement with 2 family rooms, and it has a newer electric stove and a newer dishwasher. Laundry nook here. And of course, if you'd like to get your own tour, 3 bedrooms down this wing, and then coming back around, the basement is down this door here, and the entry here with a nice covered front porch. So give me a call. We'll get you in to see this little ranch in Brooktondale. See if it's a good fit for you. And thanks for watching my video today.